All right, so here's one for you. So you're down 15% body fat. You have 11 or 10 pounds more of muscle. You're down like 22 pounds of fat. So how has this transformation changed your daily life? I mean, besides the fact Audrey lives really close to the office, so sometimes she walks to the office and people literally stop their cars and try to like get her phone number. So other than that, how has it transformed your life? Like,
I don't know, like I said, I was like pretty confident and like personable before, but like now I just feel like I could literally have a conversation with anyone about anything. And I think that just like opens a lot of like opportunities and doors in life, like feeling good and looking good. You like present that whole like vibe to the world, and like you just get a lot more out of life.
yeah.
So I would say like that's kind of where I feel like I'm at right now. It's just like I'm like reaping all of the benefits that like life has to offer, and it's because like I look good, I feel good, and like that's what I feel like, and that's what I try to like give off of, just like just happiness, because I feel so good. And
Well, there has to be a sense of accomplishment, obviously, because, even, working at Rewind and having the body comp scale and, hormones are better and vitamin levels are better, there's still a lot of hard work involved, a lot of time spent in the gym, a lot of steps.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of achievement. And there's like something to be said for when you achieve something, it gives you like a mental boost.
yeah, so I definitely think my life has changed in just like overall energy that I receive and the energy that I'm able to give. My life has changed mentally, physically. It's just, I don't have anything negative to say. Like, it's just been like a really, really positive experience for me. And it's just like made me want to push others to do the same and like take care of themselves, because if you feel any type of about life or like not so great, like doing something like this can just really completely change all of that. So
Yeah, 100%. Also, talk about a little bit about your I know there are nights now where you don't have your 10,000 steps or you didn't get your workout in and you're dragging, but you force yourself to go because you have goals, right? So this is where I think some goals keep you motivated, right?
yeah, I think goals are like crucial to have, because then you're like working towards something and you don't necessarily just feel like you're going through the motions of like doing it to be doing it. It's like, I'm doing this because I want to have abs, or I'm doing this because I want to improve and like whatever, like I just think goals are so crucial to have in any journey. It doesn't have to be just a health journey, but in any journey in life, I just think like goals are so important, and it just makes wanting to do the work easier. Like if I didn't have goals, I'd probably be okay with having the 8K steps at 10 o'clock at night and just crashing out on the couch.
Yeah.
But since I have a goal, I'm not okay with the 8K steps. I'm going to get up and I'm going to get the 2,000 more, because I have something to accomplish or prove.
When I always tell people that extra 2,000 steps 3 times a week is probably 500, 600 calories a week, which is like 6 pounds a year, which is the difference between gaining 6 pounds a year or nothing. So it's super critical to get your butt off that couch and stop watching and, Netflix.
Or
and
even like sometimes I'll be like on my couch scrolling and I'm like, dude, just get up and walk and scroll. You can still scroll. You can still get on the phone, but like get up and walk. Like there's really just no excuse for it. Like literally that's like my biggest thing. I'm like, well, I could watch or I could do, and it's like, well, you can just go walk on the treadmill and do those things. So
100%.